Hello guys, welcome to part 3 of our building a Python Telegram EchoBot series tutorial. So in this part we're going to be looking at how to set the webhook for our EchoBot. So without further ado, let's get into it. So in our previous video we looked at how to set up the respond method, which is responsible for sending echoed messages to whoever will be chatting with our bot. And for this video we're going to be looking at how to set up the webhook. So as similar to the previous video, I've just pasted the code and to explain what's happening on each line in order to save time. And here we have set a route for the webhook, which is set webhook. So we'll only hit this route once initially when we are setting up our bot. And what this will do is set the webhook for our Python Telegram EchoBot. So we'll only hit the set webhook URL once, and we've binded the set webhook method to this route. So what's going to happen here is we're going to use the bot object here that we declared initially here. So we're going to use the set webhook method of this bot object, and we're going to use the URL environment variable. We're going to set this later on code capsules, and then we're going to use the hook as well, and the hook would have set it to be equal to the token, and the token we're going to set it on code capsules as well as an environment variable. So this is how we set a webhook, and we're going to reply with webhook setup okay if the process is successful, or webhook setup failed if something has gone wrong. So this is how we'll basically know whether it worked or not. So that's it. And I've also added an index route, which is just for us to see that our capsule is deployed successfully before we hit the set webhook URL here. So this URL isn't really, this path rather or route isn't necessary to the EchoBot functionality, but I've just added it so that we can see the app, so that we can see whether the app is functioning as soon as we deploy it. So that's it guys. Stay tuned to see how we're going to get or register our Telegram EchoBot on Telegram in the next video. Take care.